de kase no esi de aduru so no ye hwe na ensaba hodo egu ya be fontentan kase no so myjournalonline.com adomonline.com afi so no ye be hwe na de obonkwata hodo mu nsabo no ye de ni nyina asom oman hene kwabna sante incoming the incoming wa ye krado ene ye krata no so ekitana kama oman
yeah, not sure about it.
Yakudi sala naba.
Bibi ayiboko.
Oh, nyame Adom.
Good. Yeah, that also has a so Ajibra also here Badwam on Adom TV, multi TV. So na ya wada June de toso eduonu nkuno. Se oye kremoni oye madam fo ne besi na no pay. Umbo utirimu pose o manya enam bawi ni biawe. Umbo utirim pose TZ no odi bebreme. Umbo utirim pose Chinkafa no odi be fan sia you better revise your notes. Alaji Collins Dauda afibia minu na edi afi mente wonka Ira Rashid Pelpo nso Mikael you know e mane me kadan because e odo na moda de dia kire intimesremwa Baba Jamal menewa na akọ preswa wa Sin North inti I'll give you the benefit of the doubt mo amaka de mu ni mo dada inti we so ni kwan say in Kremofo penyo wa hafo we so nya ade se mikasa bebre ti mesremo chief mam u fi de bia adwane wo ho ti metia fo wa no pe eti me kakai mu na hu mi se maba ofi wa mekasa bia papa no obi anto nsan friend no ba nti enuanom Kremofo nyina no I am sure say majority of you mo chill ya kopim weekend no you have fun but monya careful na bibia ntimi ko kama enfama na menchia Asen North for nyina from Breku to Asempa na yet to Gangan to all those villages are a form of Asen North menchia both the MPP and the NDC sympathizers and supporters no in the midst of everything the more demonstrating the more abusia baako mo peja koso sa na masa de aba from boko basa ni ho ye bia ntimi anyi ne ho sa but really it was a tense moment. Now was saying North, it was really tense, both political parties. And more on the majority say a crime be so much say in a team akudum pempezubi. More moji we decide, more moji cafe no, more moji sekai, more moji we cannot say much. We are heavy on it at a year 8 o'clock. You better discuss it. But correlations to Yera James Jachikwesin say o manfo asenya omugidie asato abanama and to yenua Charles Opokunso better luck next time. Yenua ba oba no LPG also better luck next time. And to the Electoral Commission, great job done to the Ghana Police Service. Mosuma Jumapa, and of course, your trusted partner in terms of elections, your election headquarters, Kokomoti Power. Debiada, a showbo, the bro. It's a Thursday, and I can see smiles because when we say Friday, I baby, I'm a koko a yearly wedding, a party, saying that I just saw my Busiano. The efforts in the at this point in time. Again, more Marshall said there should be by election, we trust Adrian. And Adrian pa. So when Pinyari and I say, and Adrian pa, it's not a good thinking. Yan say one Bribia the 2 mission Monsano, one by Nyoma Sefata in terms of Impuntu Juma, Yakwain, Isuku, Yapomu Deonsem, a bad boy ye pass if we really think on that line. Now, for the politics of insults and lies. You're careful. A lot has gone on. I say not. A lot has gone off. Now, ye and Trichania money be so. Could do be do pempensubia. Now, it is said, yeah, I can't de not the inequality CSC. They be at the cast that makes us a beautiful country and a beautiful people. But any who can say a GG and one could do some pempenson. That crow bed that bonnet, yan re any ye, and share cassa ye, and share number 2 year. In all, ye koso da onyamia se bibia basabasa bia ne nkwanhye bia nsem fatani owo bia nsem fatani entimi ankoso e was not by election. All the members of parliament on both sides, era Sylvester era Sam Jata George, great job mumu nyinam obi akole eko share ne camp mu ganga ho de Krobofo ne nkanfo ne Hazafo ne frafrafo no mu nyina mo MPs papa ho MPs ni nyina one of those languages no all the parties strategically mu nyina ekopeche campo about to ba na unse ni petwa nsu or she trousers no na musa na oko and I'll be hosting one of the year account on the Kofitonto. Interesting omo kuro nyina they've taken just about 3 weeks kuro nyina and I think kushia a tourist attraction center as so obi akwohwo baby ohene ankasa abone sesien
the cleanest city
said the musi efe ure kuro no ma ahyenso de fam ho aka cho said the wabetu kuro no okwa sa pepepe na sisi o makuru so eye enkofa bibi nkoka na nko yi bibi nso mfiri nti graphic confanto insuo confanto abura ya confanto bibia a very neat
gata nso kura na maboti
asinkushia eti nana wadaro mano peya chia breku hini ye chia asempa na ye ene gangan ene mia hodo aka nyina nkroni bi wa obo a chamia mikurum kumawu anasa afu Kenya se che nkroni bi oba otimi sirisa but they are interesting people, very interesting people. Inti ubo wuse brano obati di enti America asin not for ho asema no pay. Ano pay de breba e ho kwan na ye de nsema wodo etojo de workout and me de ebro minimini aba no chiwaba or the online stories be bro but always be grateful to God. So there then so achew. Na ade ba kwa me refi ni se nyame anim ni o osmosis so na wontu kwan. So okofa asin kwan so pa asinfo so kwan so a se Dubai chena na Dubai
say so maye
F2 man
first na nye
F2
no man for soon ya na bridge bi wo ho
F
na nye by say di
I'm tell F mse nkran krana maybe Morning Star area honom no and I'm there to F too much
very nice
yeah,
my
eti the road minister no so say even though people I know the enka akwan na no mo ka say Zisia na obey no humum there but really only team no more adwuma yi pa ira mo akwata grateful more adwuma yi ye besre say free hoyi me ahodo breku park kwan na area hono na mo ye nyina ye besre say obeto akoso na mo yama asen north addition
na nkoye se kumaudie ni bi
mo guso
o sa
mo guso pa in fact mo kumaudie so I know say from Ifijasi to Kumau they no mo twa so no I know say if I'm correct, I stand for correction. I know that they are almost through. Okay. If they are not through with it, they are almost through. Just more construction. And also. Welcome to the show. This is Badwam on Adom TV, multi-TV. So, make out say it's led by Yankasinia Welbe Kofi Ampedu, supported by Aye Akwasisia, Anna Faye, Presi, Anna Wana Kanyina. We are so grateful. We appreciate the team. Camera, sound, lighting, phone, now so I crowd. And afi a year control for so a driver for so by we appreciate you so much makeup for so yadamasi those on duty this morning and those who will be reporting in the afternoon yadamu yinamasi madarama ana a complete team I did Badwam on Adom TV at the bro and then ya wadan make out say yadago can see be bro and come on so power ho and sana and wechino at the a person bro na afi we no nkuru pepepe na kwaso account for am say Kosuhwe Adom TV if you say your nyoma eye na safata edema daily graphic and ere shase chief imam na nadu dankwa akufado no fonyini eda and Dr. Mahmoud Baumia the president the vice president and the chief imam asem kese pa era Donald atoda patam atro they say things getting better economy grows 4.2% first quarter president Akufo-Addo and it is akase atuja brankrem for that kese no ada na ekoso say ohwa oman no yisika sem ne ntutua ne nhihye nyina no afi de kakra emu epeja ejina yipa nti enya rehemu enya gidim why secures jobs for 84,000 youths in 6 months bosumi insiam pepepe a youth employment for no omusi nipa omatimi amakwanya enya adwuma eye 84,000 bosumi insiam pepepe Afera James Jachikwe's in correlations once again. Infonyini ewa hanim say or MP elect for Ascent North constituency or nona ene court to cast on Gojinanche na afraid the wasa qualifies over say Jina Bim Wako Jina Asa Tuluswaba Wadin Kunim. Correlations once again. Or say democracy is about development. The Yena Kebmamin Kebi Uchra Dream MPP NDC Ninano. ni nyina ya ade ba akopɛ sɛ mpuntu ne nsakira be ba ya brabom ne asetrem ɛno ti ne ya pre konkan bebrebe san. Judge affirms judiciary traditional authorities partnership and President Lord's peaceful polls at a synod. Nana de Danko Akufo-Addo so wada synod for all the stakeholders as for a peaceful by-election akoso kama sa. The new crusading guys say economic review underway. Said medical catch on the President Akufo-Addo nakasa and then Western Togoland members cage. One assembly that's what I Libya. You say one eguswa aid ye kase de edoma to aban kukum. Any mape or say Kofi Chrome Pharmacy CEO, he's been adjudged outstanding entrepreneur of the year. Era a year Kofi Marche, mi hu na che na enye mwa because Bribia Dano, the diligence out here with Jumana, it's so encouraging. So Kofi Chrome CEO, correlations. And the big one here. Ashanti MP silent over Alan Tremantin projects. Era Dakabre Anakase, also call Asante Mantema Brashibi Jafono, Kum Yana Dawson. Era Lanchamanti Modin Babo Asante Mantem. One a Brashibi Jafo Asante Mantem, as a my comb too much. So same with the a year I'm not sure about the big wounds and believe that time, Namino, Meshasin Nota, Namibusa say, hold on, yes, MPP 213, NDC 992, indeed, era, me, I'm not sure about it. Sarkodie Yvonne battle over abortion. Mahus and Bidiano will be a channel or Quanso goes into Minkabi or the major amount what match him. And we live to fight again. His Excellency another Danko Akufo-Addo and Akase as NDC's Jechi Kwesi retains a Saint North seat. And to be heard now, John Dramani Mama, His Excellency the former president, will pay era Jechi Kwesi in sa. Onyina chichi kama. I see you. You don't see me. Chichi ni bi no mashe. 6 more Papa View Kai Papa V. Western Togoland in Semno jailed 26 years. E do ma koto aban kukum mfie aduonu nsia. Isan na omuti mpone se ompeso mu yes omu kwa de omu content cro and omu su se betim de ho ye ne basa e de aba and things will get better. His Excellency Nana Danko Akufo-Addo anakase. Anochoba.
The online portal no and Samahodo so say we both have daughters. Let's see what life throws at them. Yvonne Nelson to Sarkodie. She is also somebody's daughter. What is life throwing at her? And National Chief Imam leads Muslim to mark Eid al-Adha. Nese no mo ensem no yenu no den rada na ja ekoso na nra o menya bi first time so menya den menya bi kwan ka me koje fam ko
I see that's okay
no se me koje me se menya den tinam at all cost
I see
and yenra Mrs. Star Mercy
okay
Kisma ye grooming and spa
okay
on na ne dia
and I'm not broad there dini bi no
there dini bi
wow
enra me wo hwa na one ne husband friend so membeji na me kwane politics city na wasem pepa opa de so no ansa na akoduru fie
uni si te se me a enkowe nkemo na review
omuto de enyini
ebe kika osim ti se osmosis ye no de bia okra toothpick na me say akoda ketwa osi ase nyina be emere ozo call dentist wache ye careful uni si a janamwe ne obom kakabo na nyina akohishi na so akofa problem there bro osmosis what the make a job.
Intimidation, lies, and bribery don't win election. People's power does. There's a one more about woman and omode efutu. But you claim I chose school over the pregnancy, yet I had completed my coursework at the university at that time. Where yes, I could Yvonne.
The idea is you.
Well, Yvonne the true book, and then or throw on a life story. Near ma wa femu wa brabum, and as I could ye copy mu say. Maybe a chum somewhere in 2010. Sa could ye saying. And now okaso onkuyi because now I'm finding fit. Thereby and let's say over a week, almost 2 weeks na jabras wa chrodom e de a year no say sabre no wa nyam ye no sister say onwie school into ono an kan say opeso onkuyi and the bus anti
why nyum as in rap now
rap yes said they are responding enti kabuta beje so and they say am omo mi no say ti bi ka che Yvonne say nyom story sakodi
Musumo had you organ.
And you know what story. Oh my assembly me won temwa. Me come there. You also have the right to tell us what truly went on. Until you know the need the actual book aba. And a brass then they have to beat so.
No, but Sarkodie is a nice gentleman.
Yes.
on stay off from all these
sana aba we yenim say afu a mo ana mo twi sa hyen say
yeah serious and rather yeah ba na etie wa Adom FM na omo ka say e free na ekọ no LPG nyese bi ni ho ebi wo ho enye se fan go so ni ho ebi wo ho demo omo de na say free na ekọ yebetu santin secure
yes
ade akoto LPG ni fuel if we say ekwan a omo de bekọ bia omo de kofa saade na ba ekwan nye papa nti quickly na say me check it from all sources meaning say na no pay era Abbas engineer and era Christian inti and the sector minister Amwakwanta I'm sure say by now crowd they are there they will have to attend to them because utie die na mpanyimfo a wontwi tanka ne kana almost over years this has been their major challenge and anyoma na so omo no so no they denche ba ko a nyoma betima say wo Ghana ha no ka de beba no a chance be by elections kwana yakọ so they should pay attention to so I'm sure that this morning on be resolve na in temper because the shots here to something for LPG hey you know the consequences already yeah
nti abusuan Badwam so ni ye kọ na kai say agokansie etwaso nkobe